The previous class I have shown the world coordinate and view coordinates. So every object will be drawn based on world coordinate, and our graphics objectives are converting the world coordinate to view coordinate. So now how to transform? So today's class we are going to discuss the window to viewport coordinate transformations. So before understanding the concept, look at this diagram. Now left side diagram shows a point in world coordinate. So you can see x world minimum maximum, y world minimum maximum, and a point represented with world coordinate. And the same point has been converted to view coordinate. What do you mean by view coordinate? The point drawn in mobile screen or computer screen or a projector screen is based on this technique. Now how these conversions are happening? Look at the formula. XV is the viewport. Assume that you are drawing a point in OpenGL software. Now that output is projected onto a small mobile screen. So mobile screen coordinate is V, that is viewport. So you have to convert the point XY to viewport coordinate. So the result XV minus XV minimum by XV maximum minus XV minimum equal to, that is calculated from the world coordinate. The difference calculated and the ratio found on X side and the difference calculated and ratio found on Y side. So I can get corresponding point of world coordinate to view coordinate. So look at the diagram now. So this diagram shows there is a point in the world coordinate. So bigger point and bigger square. Now in mobile screen the same thing will be shown as a small square and small point. From the bigger screen each and every point should be converted to the small screen. So just now I showed how each and every point of world coordinate are converted to view coordinate. Now you can see there is a bigger point on left hand side. It has to be converted to one smaller point that is there on right hand side. So the point on the viewport is calculated based on the formula 6.3. So point will have two value xv and yv. It is represented in the figure. You can see the formula of xv, yv. So xv equal to xv minimum plus the window coordinate difference is calculated and multiplied with scaling factor on x side. So we are calculating x side and as well as y also. So yv equal to yv min plus the difference multiplied with scaling factor on y. So y to be scaled because the point is big left hand side and it should be scaled down and drawn on the right hand side viewport. So the scaling factor on x side and y side must be calculated and should be multiplied with the viewport coordinate. So now we can see the formula of scaling. Sx and Sy are the scaling factors. Scaling factor of x side, y side is given in the formula 6.4. So it takes the viewport coordinate, difference of viewport coordinate with respect to world coordinate. That ratio is calculated for x side same manner, y max minus yv mean divided by yw max minus yw mean. The ratio of world coordinate is calculated and the scaling factor of y is stored. So by multiplying these two scaling factor, any image you draw with world coordinate or with your imagination, it can be projected to viewport. It means it is a mobile screen or projector screen. According to the any viewport screen, there will be no disturbance in the output. The proper output will be drawn. Now look at this diagram. It shows the summarized concept of two-dimensional view. The monitor 1 and monitor 2 outputs are triangle and circle. Assume that these two are the primitive you are drawing with OpenGL code. So you will write GL begin GL and you will mention the code. That code will be drawn using your program and you can get the output in any output screen. You can see the output in monitor, projector as well as mobile screen. So those screens are called view coordinate. Now you can understand the world coordinate and view coordinate. The view coordinate window is drawn first, the left hand side, that is converted to a normalized space. You are drawing any primitive with your imagination by setting up the point, initial window size and initial point. So that will be normalized to a range of 0 to 1. If the output is available in a normalized range, it can be projected onto any different screen. So you can see the window WS is showing the output in a normalized space. Because the output is coming in the normalized manner, the same output can be projected to any viewport window and there will be no change in the scale as well as in the ratio. I hope you have understand the transformation of coordinates from view to world and the normalized coordinates. Thank you.